Today I want to show you how you can add an impact to your YSU PenguinPulse account for community service that you have done on your own rather than through an event tied to our YSU PenguinPulse page or through our community partner pages. So when you log into your YSU PenguinPulse account, you're going to go to the user dropdown and select Add Impact, and from here you can search if the organization already exists. If you cannot find the organization that you volunteered for, you could always click the Can't Find It button. But for now, I am going to just choose that organization and it pre-fills that part of your impact. And then I'm just going to scroll down and fill out my impact as normal. Select if it's for a course, choose the verifier's name and email address. Also adding the start and end dates. And then adding what you gave, whether that be time, money, goods. And then you are going to fill out details about what you did and also details about your personal reflection on that impact. Make sure you share it with Youngstown State University. Choose if you want this impact to be private or not and click Add Impact. And from here, your impact will be pending until your verifier does confirm. And then once it is verified, you can click the user dropdown again and choose Summary to see all of your listed impacts that have been verified. I hope this helps you get started in adding your own impacts, and be sure to check back and subscribe for more how-tos and tutorials on YSU PenguinPulse.